And then the middle of Intramuros also dangerous.
Where do we go?
So you will go around here.
So is it
So you
left
go around
or right?
here, this way.
Straight
Yeah, so because you will over your Lamborghini.
Lambo, brum brum.
Lamborghini. Yeah.
Brum brum.
Yeah, yeah.
We first think.
Yeah, we first
think
walk around.
We come back.
Okay.
Yes.
Where are you from?
From China. From Beijing. Thank you. Salamat po.
Ganun ba talaga kami kamukhang Chinese, pre? Like,
Kakadating lang namin sa Intramuros.
kakapasok lang namin dito, in English na agad kami, pre. Yung mga Brooks.
Bro.
Sorry, buti nga, hindi, kitang-kita ko na, tatawa na si Aaron. Eh.
We can't go there?
30 minutes, 4:30 cut-off.
Or
4:30, yeah. It will be cut-off. Only 5 places will remain.
can I see the back again?
Yeah. So this one is the, we're under Department of Tourism here.
This kind of look like Attack on Titan wall.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Nambitsa to nga.
But it's okay, because we're just gonna...
Yeah. We think about it.
We're
We think
just gonna
about
walk
it. It's
by.
alright. Thank you very much.
And I'm surprised how hospitable the Filipinos are here.
It's very hospitable, you know? It's not even like, we're not even 5 minutes in right now.
They're saying that there's a restriction area though, so I'm not sure. No tourist spot.
No tourist.
Okay.
So only a major attraction that one here. You are a student?
International student.
What's only student price?
It's okay, it's okay. We walk because gas very expensive.
Pangatlong beses lang. Ikaw, pagkakasi mo.
Pare, ayaw talaga. Anyway, they're saying that we should just follow the wall.
Yeah. I heard.
Just follow the wall.
The Attack on Titan, you know?
Yeah, the wall Maria.
Yeah.
No. Thank you. No Tagalog. China influencer. Yes. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
No, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Can you guys
thank
say
you.
hi to the vlog?
Thank you very much.
Sure, you can go directly to
We already saw.
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay, we're just gonna walk.
Vlogger daw sa China.
Yes.
Tank lang po kami.
Kailangan namin kayo sir.
Thank you, kuya. Thank you, kuya. Yun nga. Thank you, kuya.
Dapat mag-hi muna kayo.
Say hi to my Hi vlog!
Lalakad pa tayo Intramuros to Lasal?
Yes, ala.
Tara, tara.
Tara.
Ang masama kayo, Len.
Matik yan. Hey, what's up?
Thank you, bro. Prank lang, kuya.
Thank you, pare.